Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Good and Cheap, available on the NC Digital Library with your Greensboro Public Library card. Today's video involves two different dumpling filling recipes. For your veggie filling recipe, you're going to need chopped broccoli, grated carrot, crumbled tofu, soy sauce, sesame oil, chopped scallions, and eggs. Once you have all of your ingredients ready to go, you take a mixing bowl and you're going to pour your ingredients in and just mix it all together with the spatula. Be sure to scramble your eggs before adding it to the veggie filling. This is an optional addition in case you have a modified diet. For your pork filling, you're going to need cooked ground pork, soy sauce, sesame oil, scallions, and eggs, plus 3 cups of whatever of those 4 options that you would like to choose. I opted to just add more scallions, but that is your call. As with your veggie filling, you're just going to mix them up in a bowl with the eggs already scrambled, and you can also omit the eggs if you don't want them. Now it's time to put our fillings in the dumpling. You'll cut off a piece of dough and lay it on a floured countertop to roll it out with a floured rolling pin so that it doesn't stick. Once it is in a flattened dish, you'll place it in the palm of your hand and fill it with about a tablespoon of any filling. Bring the edges of your dough to the top and twist slightly, making sure to form the ball, and you have your dumpling. These dumplings can be steamed, pan-fried, or boiled. And if you're not ready, you can freeze them. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time with Cooking with the NC Digital Library. Have a great day!